Today I'm at Dollar Tree and there's so many great dupes out right now, I can't wait to show you. Thanks to Skylight Calendar for sponsoring today's video. I've been looking for this item and I finally found it. These wine bottle organizers, you guys, these are gonna make perfect organizers. Look for these over in your kitchen section at Dollar Tree. How cool are these? You can get multiples of them and stack them up. I'm gonna be using these for my water bottles in my cabinet. One thing to keep an eye out for at Dollar Tree are these hanging end caps. A lot of times these are from other stores, items that didn't sell. This is a spray bottle hook. You can see here it says it was $3.88 at whatever store it was at. I've bought the Command brand of these off of Amazon and these are definitely comparable, only $1.25. These spray bottle organizers are great to put in your cabinets. So this is what it looks like. It has an adhesive on the back that you can put on your cabinet. Let me show you the one that I have off of Amazon. So underneath my kitchen sink, I have this one with the Command strips on it, and it's great for hanging up spray bottles like that. I was gonna put this one right next to it. I mean, it literally looks identical. They work perfect. It's pretty much the same thing. If you guys come to my Dollar Tree over here in Mission, Kansas, everybody always asks me which Dollar Tree I go to. It's the one off of Martway. I'm noticing that they're putting all the new items over here in the back. So come to this section to look for the new items. I found something hiding back here that we need to look at. This is a hibiscus scent. You're gonna get your sugar scrub. There's also an in-shower body balm. So this is a new scent they have. These were the ones that we showed you last time we were here, and they still have them out if you're interested. I spotted a new scent as well. This is called Coastal Capri, and it looks like a new summer line as well as these. This is the body wash. They also have the in-shower body balm. My store doesn't have the bath scrub. I just spotted a great beauty dupe. The Yes to Watermelon Gel Cleanser is here at Dollar Tree. This is so much more expensive on Amazon, so save money and buy it at Dollar Tree. Another Yes To product. This is Yes To Avocado. It's a hyaluronic acid serum, just $1.25. This is so much more expensive on Amazon. I have to show you the solution I found for keeping my busy family organized. It's the Skylight Calendar, and I want to thank Skylight Calendar for sponsoring today's video. Now, if you're not familiar with Skylight Calendar, it's an all-in-one tool that really helps you with decluttering your mental load, and it helps you to get your family on track. I love that I'm able to sync up all of my calendars to the Skylight Calendar. I can do this with Google, Apple, or Outlook, so if someone in my family wants to know if they have an appointment, they can look right here on the calendar. Something I use, especially in the summer months, is the chore charts. Everyone in your house can have their own chore chart, and you can set daily tasks, or you can even set reoccurring tasks. The members of your family can check off when they complete a task, and the screen explodes with emojis when the list is done. One of my favorite things I use the Skylight Calendar for is to create lists. So I always keep a grocery list, so if we're out of something in the fridge, I'll just come over here, type it in, and the best part is you also have an app on your phone where you can pull that list up if you're shopping at the store. So I usually keep a grocery list and a to-do list. If you want to get Skylight Calendar Plus, you can get even more features. You can create custom full weekly meal plans, and you can also utilize the recipe storage. You can also create fun rewards for each family member to earn. With the Skylight Calendar Plus, you can also get Sidekick, which is a magic family assistant. You're not gonna believe what it does for meal planning. You can map out your weekly meal plans, and you can generate recipes based on what you want to eat. I typed in chicken salad and a recipe came right up, and I was able to import it into my Skylight Calendar. So in a matter of seconds, I can have a recipe ready to go, and you can base this on what you have in your fridge. And with the Sidekick, you can also import important dates from flyers or your emails. Now, when you're not using it, it also acts as a photo frame, so you can upload thousands of photos and it will just scroll through all your photos. I love that feature. Get organized in 2025 with the Skylight Calendar. You could use my code LizFenwick30. I'll put the QR code right here that you can scan to get $30 off your 15-inch calendar, or I'll put the link down below in the description box. The Skylight Calendar is available globally. I saw this online and knew I was gonna have to pick it up. This is a microwave cleaner. I didn't have very good luck with the last microwave cleaner that I bought from Dollar Tree, so let's hope this one's a little bit better. All right, so let's hope this microwave cleaner goes a little bit better. So this comes with a tray. It also comes with 2 cleaners, so you can do this twice, and then it comes with a sponge. So it says to take the cleaner and pour it into the tray. Next, we're going to put it in the microwave and set it for 2 minutes. Let's check it out. So the 2 minutes is up and it looks like it's evaporated a little bit. The next step is to use the sponge and just wipe down. Then I'll just wipe it down with a microfiber towel. I feel like this worked well to clean out the microwave. I definitely pick it up. I have another new item alert. This sink caddy looks pretty cool. So this is a caddy where you can put your sponge on one side and then on the other side you can hang your dish towel. Love that this is in your sink and it comes in 3 different colors. You can get the gray, the white, or the black. If you've shopped at Dollar Tree before, you probably recognize this little summer section, but since they have Dollar Tree Plus now, they have some new items like these huge totes. These are $5. They come in 4 different colors I'm seeing. Now, if you want to stick with the $1.25 price point, they also have their smaller totes available that you can get. These are just $1.25. The item that I'm so excited that they have back this year are these large solo cup containers. You can use these. I've used them in so many ways around my house and outside. They come in those same great colors. Last year, they had the butterfly design. They also had the watermelon last year, but I think a new one, and you guys will have to let me know if I'm right about this. I think this lemon one is new. I also don't remember this bowl. Look at how nice this bowl is for $1.25. Each of those lines has this bowl. So I feel like that's a new print that you can pick up this season. I'm excited to see these back this year. These are one of my favorite organizers. I just feel like these are well done and you can use these in your craft room or really all over your house. They're great for organizing in your kitchen. Dollar Tree always has these fun party summer supplies over here, and a lot of these items I've seen before. They have these latex balloons that come in a watermelon and strawberry. How adorable are those? If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Dollar Tree. There's some new lanterns out right now that you want to keep your eye out for. This gold one is $3. This one's my absolute favorite. They also have this one for $5. These would look great in a grouping, or you could get 2 larger ones. They also have $3 and $5 lanterns in this wooden one. This one's not my favorite. I don't think it's made as well, but they do have several options. Some of them are painted better than others. They also have these black lanterns back here as well. I was gonna walk past this box, but I'm so glad I didn't because I found another name brand product. This is the brand Clean Cold. This is a glass laundry detergent bottle, and these sell for around $12 at Walmart or Amazon. And what you can do is you can buy your laundry detergent in bulk, put it in here, and use it to dispense out your laundry detergent. My store has 6 of them, but keep your eye out for this over in the cleaning section. I just spotted a dupe for Dr. Teal's pillow spray. They have it here at Dollar Tree. It looks exactly the same. This is in the same lavender scent. This is the hand sanitizer end cap at my store, and one item we've been looking for on multiple trips are these little hand sanitizers. These are like Touchland for little kids. This Spider-Man one is so cute. The other thing I'm noticing is a new scent in my antibacterial wipes. You guys have seen me use these before. I started with the aloe scent, and then I've also used the pomegranate. Now they have a wild berry scent. These are great. I love using them to clean in my kitchen. I love coming over to find all the beauty dupes over here in this section. This is a cool thing. This is a dual lip liner that they have from LA Colors. Now that's not a dupe, but I definitely think that's cool that you get 2 different colors on each side. One thing that really caught my eye are these LA Color lip balms. Now they come in 2 different colors. They say they're sheer, so I don't think they're gonna have too much color. There's a peach one and then also a black cherry. I'm gonna get them both. I had to get these lip balms and try them out. They just look good. I'm hoping I like them. So I got both colors. I got the peach one and the black cherry. Okay, this one is the black cherry. Let's just swatch them. That's kind of what I was thinking. It gives a little bit of color, not too much. And then this one is the peach. I like both of those colors. Honestly, they have more color than I thought they would. I want to put on the peach. Now I do have on my Maybelline Super Stay, but I'm gonna put it on top. I can tell these have quite a bit of color and they feel really good. I feel like these are a winner. One place that you can save a ton of money is on the beauty sponges they have at Dollar Tree. There are so many options. Look what I found. Look at how adorable this is. You could put this in a gift set. It has 3 different sponges and this one, $1.25. If you bought 3 beauty sponges on Amazon, it would be so much more expensive. I also found an option for traveling. This has 2 different beauty sponges. There's a larger one and a smaller one. The smaller one's great for getting like underneath your eyes. The larger one is good for putting on your entire foundation, and it comes in a carrying case that's netted, so it's great if you get it wet. I really thought this would be good for travel just because it has this netting here. And when you use these makeup sponges, a lot of times you get them wet and you don't want to put them directly into your makeup bag. But here you could get these wet and then just put them in this bag and they would have time to dry out. If you're into the watermelon scent, you may want to pick up these next 3 products that I spotted. I found a sugar lip scrub in the watermelon scent, and then they also have one of these lip scrubbers. These are so much more expensive on Amazon, and you can finish it off with a lip oil. I cannot wait to try all 3 of these. All right, this is an item you want to look for. These cuticle oil pens, these are going right by my nightstand. They're great to put on your cuticles at night. They come in 2 different scents. You can get the mango one or the lavender. Let me know down in the comments which one you're going to be picking up. I just spotted this Blur face primer. This looks very similar to the Benefit primer. I'm going to try it out. Every once in a while at Dollar Tree, you can get lucky and find some name brand products. This time here, I'm noticing the Justice brand. This line is right now at Walmart. This is one of their perfumes, so keep your eye out for any Justice brand items the next time you shop at Dollar Tree. I really wanted to see what this perfume looked like inside. Okay, here is the little Justice perfume and it's cucumber melon. You can find name brand travel items here at Dollar Tree. This Monday body wash I've bought at Walmart for way more. You can pick it up here. My store only has 2 left. These are great for traveling. Shea Solutions is a Walmart brand. I just spotted their shampoo here at Dollar Tree. The difference is the label looks different than the one you get at Walmart. So I don't know if this is similar. It has the logo. Let me know if you guys know down in the comments. I just spotted 2 items that I've never seen here at Dollar Tree. These are aloe wipes, great for the summer. They also have an aloe spray. These are great to have on hand in case you get a sunburn. If you live in a climate where you get lots of mosquitoes and bugs like we do here in Missouri, these insect repellent wipes are nice to have. I like that they have them here at Dollar Tree for $1.25. It always happens that after we do a solar light video, they put out new solar lights here at Dollar Tree, but these are cool. These are hanging ones, you guys. This is actually a glass solar light. I love this one, love the crackle finish. They also have this one new this year. This one's pretty cool. And then you could also pick it up in this style. I'm telling you, these touch lamps are at almost every store. Dollar Tree has a version. They have it in gold, black, and white. These are LED touch lamps. You charge them up and you just touch them. These are perfect to put on your desk. It seems like every time I come over here to the candle holder section, there's some new options. This one, so pretty, $1.25. I'm getting this for my next candle holder video. I want to give you guys an update on the vases because I just had to buy a bunch of vases for an event and I noticed that Dollar Tree has raised some of their prices. So these vases that used to be $1.25, these are now $3. So if you come over here and need to buy vases, be very careful at the ones you pick up. If you're wanting the $1.25 ones, most of those are down here. Like this one is still $1.25. If you struggle with finding realistic stems here at Dollar Tree, you're not really sure what to pick up to use in your home, let me show you the one that I recommend. This stem right here is my favorite. It usually only comes out this time of year, but these are their eucalyptus stems. You could get several of these, I would say around 7 or 8 to put in a vase. They're also great to use on wreaths, but these hands down are the most realistic stems they have here. These scratch art pads are so fun. I'm excited to see that they have them here at Dollar Tree and they have a bunch of different options. In the plus section, Dollar Tree has a lot of options for portable fans. I found two $5 options. This is a foldable handheld portable fan. This one's a little bit larger and it comes with a phone stand. All right, let's check out these fans. There are several at Dollar Tree right now. So this one comes with the charger. I love that it bends back so you can set it down like that, or you can make it handheld. This one has 3 different modes, so it is pretty powerful. Do you guys remember the one I found that was just $1.25? That one only had 1 mode, and it wasn't as powerful as this fan, but this one's $5. There's a lot of new garden items over here in the plus section. Now this item, I just spotted this at Aldi for a similar price. This is a water wand. So if you can't find the one at Aldi, because I know sometimes their stuff goes a little bit quicker, look in the plus section at Dollar Tree. I always have to check the Crafter's Square section. So one of the new things I'm noticing are all the pastel items they have out right now. They have these really pretty pastel paints for $1.25. I'm also noticing these cute little pom-poms, and just in general, there's some more pastel items. A new item I also noticed is this little organizer. It's pretty cool. I think it's for your beads. They have individual containers that you can use, or you could pull those out, and this would be perfect for travel. I could see putting your earrings in here. If you're into fairy gardens, I'm noticing so many more fairy garden items than I've ever seen out at Dollar Tree. Look at all these houses. This is the time you want to head to the store to get your items. Let me know down in the comments what you'll be picking up the next time you shop at Dollar Tree. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.